I'm Greg Jarbo. We're here at SES San Francisco 2013. I'm with Eric Enge. Eric, you talked about authorship?
Why, yes, I did.
Well, are you an author?
I am an author.
And you have secrets about this?
Many.
Share.
I don't know if you want to know all my secrets.
Actually, we also want to know not only the secrets that you shared here during the session, but you have a study coming up too. We'll save that. This is a coming attraction for what's going to be later in the interview. But let's start with what you talked about here at the conference.
Sure. Well, I was talking about authorship and as part of that, author rank. But authorship is really this notion that you can build your own reputation online. And I am talking about an individual right now. You can build your own reputation online by a variety of means. First of all, you got to publish great content. Ideally, you will be actively sharing stuff on social media, not just your stuff, but adding value into dialogues and interacting with a lot of people, interacting with influential people in your space is part of that, but also helping others, really being part of the community around whatever your market space is and supplementing that with great content you publish on your site, maybe great content you publish on other people's sites in the guest posts. This is all part of really establishing an authorship profile. But what Google did to add an extra element to this is they created a thing called the rel equals author tag, which is a way of making it easier for Google to tell that you're the author of a particular piece of content. It's basically like pointing a big honking road sign. It's Greg that wrote this piece of content, and makes it really, really easy for them. And you can use this, and that's one of the things I talked about, is how you go about using that so that they pick up at those signals for you. And that's all great. But on top of that, now you get to the speculation. People say, okay, I'm identifying that you're an author, and I can do that. But are you now tracking who the good authors are, and are you giving them a rankings boost? And that's what people call author rank, right? And author rank is something that people have been talking about from roughly 27 seconds after Google announced rel author. And to date, and this is one of the things I said in the presentation, there is no practical evidence that it is impacting rankings in any fashion.
But that's to date. Now, you also have a study coming up soon, and you've gone and done some testing on this. Any hints that you can throw our viewers?
So the study is to show whether or not Google Plus shares directly impact ranking. And this is not a correlation study. It's actually a direct causation study where we track rankings of things and we see where they are, and it's ranking here, wherever there is. You understand where there is, right?
I've ranked there before.
You have ranked there before, good. And if I get a lot of Google Plus shares of that content, does it go up in the ranking? So I can't tell you the results, I'm sorry, but I can tell you that it's going to surprise a lot of people.
Well, and you can also tell me where I could find the results.
Yes, it will publish on Tuesday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. You can find it on the Stone Temple blog. And then following that, at 4 o'clock Eastern Time on Thursday, we will be having a Google Plus Hangout on Air event with representatives from SEO Moz, Search Metrics, myself, Mark Traphagen, and Joshua Berg. All of our experts have weighed in on this topic. So we're going to have a real hoedown and really talk about what Google Plus really does for your search rankings.
Now, 29 seconds later, will there be a hoedown rank?
Maybe. I think that is something that would be worth doing. Maybe you could help us with that.
We're working on it. Okay, here we are, SES San Francisco. We are charting the future. We are shaping the future. We're making stuff up as we go along.
That's the way it works in this industry, isn't it?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.